sometimes I can get hype with this lipstick stuff, like in lip gloss. I get hype. So let me finish. Hey friend, welcome to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle, all of that. I swear, all that. Subscribe now. Like now. First of all, short nails. Who this? I recently changed my nails. I've been wearing longer press-ons for a minute, but the last set that I had was giving me a lot of problems, girl. Like a lot of problems. It kept breaking, like not lifting, because you know my press game is very strong. They weren't lifting, but they were literally just breaking right here and just clean breaking off with like not even anything that you would think would break nails, just simple things like scratching my hair, break. As a matter of fact, one of my subscribers, her name is Ann Castillo. She always shows up for my nail videos, always the first to comment on my nail videos. And my last video, she's like, oh, I see you have on those press-on nails. And as I am typing, girl, they've been giving me problems, and I hit that enter or send button, one broke, like it broke. So I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know if it's just a longer set. I don't know if I had a bad set, but the nails were really thin. So I just took them off because I didn't have any more nails to replace the ones that kept breaking. So I just did this short set. This was one of the ones that that I actually purchased. They didn't send me these, and it was in my original order. And they look really pretty. I love this color. I would like this in a medium length though, but this is still pretty, still cute, real classy. So now that that's out the way, let's get into why you clicked the video. As you guys may or may not know, Juvia's Place recently launched a very large lipstick collection. I think there's about 12 colors in it. They're all matte tones, and they're matte lipsticks, matte nude lipsticks that go with different skin tones, which is great. And I picked up one lipstick from each like category. So I got 4 lipsticks here that I'm going to swatch for you guys on my hand so you can just see the colors really quickly, and I am going to try them on. These are how they look in the packaging, which is so cute. The colors that I got are Toffee, Coco, Kebi, and me. So I am so excited about that that Coco one, girl. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. The packaging, as you guys can see in the box, is so gorgeous. I'm just going to open the package up. I haven't swatched any of these because I wanted to save it, you know, for the video. It's probably, you know, a first impression. This is a first impressions video, really. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the packaging. Look how pretty this is. So cute. All right, so it's a pretty little ombre pink. So this color is Me. So this is how she looks here. So pretty. I love this nudie shade. Love it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that. I love how the shape of the lipstick is. You guys can see that. It has a really nice soft vanilla lipstick scent. I feel like this is a common scent. So I'm just going to swatch it. And the swatch is so smooth. Look at this. So pretty. Alright, so that is Me. So let's go through this quick so we can get it on our lips. Or on my lips, rather. Okay, so the next shade is Kebi or Kebi. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. This is how she looks. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Just swatch that. Super pretty. It's literally like a darker shade of this tone. It's like more of a mauve-y, rosy sort of nude. There you go. So pretty. So let's move on to the next one. Let's look at Toffee. Toffee looks like it's going to be the perfect nude for like a darker, like my complexion or darker. It's going to be a really pretty nude. So this is how it looks in the tube. I love the shape of the lipsticks. Anyway, so here we are. Let's swatch that one. Yes. This is a nice brown color. It has a little bit of a reddish or warm undertone to it. I like it. That's gonna look really cute. And the last one, which is the one that I was the most interested in, the one that really caught my eye. I hope it swatches pretty on my hand and on my lips, because this is the one that I was very excited about, and this is Coco. Oh my god, this is such a pretty color. I would use this as lip liner. I would wear this alone. I might mix some colors up so you can see how it comes out, but that's Coco. So let's swatch Coco. Let me do one more swatch. It looks so pretty. It's literally a chocolate color with red undertone. Girl, so let's get these on. Let's get these on, okay? Start with the color Me. I can get my mirror open. We're gonna do Me. I'm not gonna put on any sort of lip liner because of course I want you guys to see what the colors actually look like. So I'm gonna start with Me, which I think this is the lightest color in my group. I love the shape of this. Perfect. All right, so with Me, I'm definitely gonna wear a lip liner. Definitely wearing a lip liner. But it's still pretty. It's so smooth. Matter of fact, I would mix Me with Coco. Use Coco as my lip liner. That would be really pretty. But this is really nice. So this is Me. Let's move on to the next one. I like this though. Okay, so the next color is gonna be Kebi or Kebi, however it's pronounced, but this is it. Oh, I really like this. This is more of a rosy, mauve-y type of nude. Love this. This is really pretty. This is definitely like a rosy, mauve-y kind of color. So pretty. So pretty and soft, right? It's like really girly. These go on so smooth, and they knew exactly what they were doing with this shape. Because you see how perfectly it fits? Boom, boom. Point A, point B, boom, boom. It's nothing. It's nothing. I like the shape of this. I love how smooth and light it feels. It feels like nothing is on my lips. And that is great for a matte lipstick, because you know how matte lipsticks can be, okay? They can dry you out. But this is, I don't feel this doing that. So this is Kebi, however it's pronounced. It's pretty. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so the next color that we're gonna do is Toffee, which is the darker one. This one I think is gonna be the perfect nude for me. I nicked it a little bit on the side. I don't know if you can see here. Messed it up a little bit, but let's go ahead and try it on. Ooh, I like this. This is a nude, perfect nude for me. Perfect. Ooh. This blends right into my skin. Right into my skin. I can do a nice ombre with this. I'm gonna do some combinations, y'all. I have to show y'all some combos. But for the sake of the video, so you can see what this looks like alone, this is Toffee. And Toffee is pretty. Toffee is gonna look good on so many skin tones. For some people, it may be like a dark color. But like, if you're like my complexion and darker, perfect nude. Perfect nude. Love this. Toffee, girl, stop. Now it's time for the one I am the most excited about, and that's Coco. Please don't let me down, Coco. Please. We're rooting for you. We are all rooting for you. Okay, let's check out Coco. Coco. Stop. Let me pull myself. I'll be back. Sometimes I can get hyped with this lipstick stuff, like in lip gloss. I get hyped. So let me finish. I'm sorry, let me finish. I know I'm doing a lot, but wait. Oh my god. I just want to get it perfect. guys. Y'all don't see it. Let me put this down. Let me pose. Let me put my stuff down so you guys can really, I'm gonna pose. Hello. Hello. Needless to say, this is a beautiful color. I love all these lipsticks. Let's do some lip combos. Let's do that. Let's do that. Let me get into that. I'll be back again. Okay, so I'm about to do a quick little combo with the darkest shade, Coco, and the lightest shade that I have, which is me. I'm going to use Coco as my lip liner, kind of like an ombre lip type of thing. So this is Coco. So I'm going to put it here. Okay, so that's pretty. Now I'm gonna go on the inner parts of it, and I'm gonna use me. Girl. So let's see how this is gonna look. This is me. Oh my God. This is my type of combo. My type. Pretty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really love this. This lipstick is so smooth, y'all. So smooth. Oh my God. I love it. All right, so that's combo number one. Let's try another one. What else are we gonna do? Let's try another one. So I want to try one more combo with the two darker shades. I'm still going to use Coco as the outline, and I'm going to use Toffee in the middle and see how that looks. So I did the line like a little bit thicker. So now let's grab Toffee and put her in the middle and see how that looks. So Toffee is that nudie color, or all of them are nude, but you know. Yes, absolutely. This is so pretty, y'all. So pretty, and this is like a perfect, equally balanced nude lip for me. Perfect. I love this, y'all. Oh my gosh. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try these lipsticks. I love them. Okay, if you're in the market for some new lipsticks and you want some matte ones that feel moisturizing and nourishing, but they still actually look matte, these are it. Be sure to like this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you tried these, I kind of want to know how you like them and what you think about them. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. That's pretty important. I am almost at my first short-term goal of 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost at my watch hours. I'm so proud of my channel that it's growing in a genuine way. No funny business. I have real subscribers that engage with me, and I love you guys. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you. And I can't wait to get to 1,000 because there's going to be a really great giveaway. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.